Today, we are diving into the Philips Wi-Fi Smart Lock with Handles, a comprehensive solution for upgrading your home's security and convenience. This lock promises multiple ways to enter your home, along with smart control features. Check the link in the description for the best price. First, let us explore the smart features and access options that make this Philips. This Philips Smart Lock truly excels in its unlocking versatility, offering 5 different methods including fingerprint, PIN codes, traditional keys. A major highlight is the built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, meaning you do not need an additional hub to control this lock. Voice assistant support adds another layer of convenience, allowing you to lock or unlock your door and check its status. The PIN code management is solid, offering 100 user PINs and unlimited one-time codes, which is great for various access. Overall, the Philips Smart Lock delivers on smart features and access, providing multiple ways to enter. Next, let us evaluate the practical aspects of installing and living with the Philips. Installation appears straightforward with compatibility for most standard door thicknesses, and the inclusion of new lever handles makes for a complete door upgrade. The auto-locking feature is a great security addition, though it is important to note that it relies on the door. The product facts provide a good level of detail regarding compatibility, dimensions, and core features, which helps in understanding what. At its price point, this smart lock offers strong value with a robust feature set. However, some advanced capabilities like. In terms of installation and ownership, the Philips Smart Lock is generally a good choice. The Philips Wi-Fi Smart Lock with Handles delivers a strong blend of security and modern convenience. Its multiple unlocking methods, built-in Wi-Fi, and voice assistant support make it a versatile choice for many homes.